Hey y'all, Erin here with LaCkore Couture, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to choose the right length necklace for your neck. But before we get started, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into it. All right, so necklace lengths. This is a question that I get emailed, DM, PM'd, all the things all the time. People are like, I don't know how short or how long this necklace is going to be on me. So here's just a very simple guide. I'm wearing 3 necklaces, as you could see. The top one is 15 inches, that's a choker. Then this star one is 16 inches, and then the long one is 18 inches. This gives you a really good standard feel for how these specific standard size chains are gonna lay. Now, obviously, we also offer 20 inch all the way to 32 inches. And just depending on what look you're going for, the size of your neck, it's going to vary. But this is a very standard size that I'm wearing here. So it's 15, 16, and 18 inches right here. So now that you know the different lengths of necklaces standard, how can you pick a necklace based on your face shape? And this actually does make a really big difference. So if you have an oval shaped face, you are a golden child because you could pretty much wear any type of necklace, any length, and you're gonna look to die for. Now, if you have a very round bowling ball head like me, literally that's what my dad used to tell me when I was little, that I had a head that looked like a bowling ball. Anyway, if you have a very round head like me, you might wanna look into some of these longer pieces because then it will create like more of a V silhouette and elongate your neck and try to eliminate the famous double chin we all hate. All right, now if you have a SpongeBob SquarePants head, so like a square shaped head, just kidding. But if you do have a boxier shaped head, you may wanna look towards more of like the chokers and princess cuts because those are gonna be shorter and that's just gonna create a beautiful illusion on your neck. So if you have a heart-shaped face, which really this means if you have more like harsh angles, and if you have a very angular looking face, in my mind, like I picture Sven from Frozen, like a very chiseled jawline. You may want to go for the shorter looks because that is actually going to soften your silhouette. A longer piece is going to look beautiful, but it may accentuate that very angular jawline. So you may want to stick with the shorter necklace. Now, the thickness of your neck is also a really key factor in choosing the length of necklace, and especially like just the style necklace you're going to wear. I always say I have like a double chin, so I hate when I wear chokers, but lately I've been like kind of feeling them and I don't really care. But if you do have like a thicker neck, I would definitely say sticking with a longer piece is going to accentuate and elongate your neck, and you're not going to be focused on the thick, the thickness of your neck. If you have a very long goose swan-like neck, then a choker, a princess cut, collar length is going to be a really great fit for you. But to be honest, girls, I feel like whatever you feel like rocking, rock it. As long as you have confidence, you could do whatever you want. Choosing a necklace also depends on what the heck you're wearing. So like today I'm wearing solid colors, so I was able to kind of go with like a layered look. But if I was wearing like a very patterned look, I may not even wear a necklace at all. I may just wear a cute earring and some bracelets, or you could wear a very simple shorter necklace. When you have a very patterned look, layering too much, it's not gonna look good. It's not gonna look organic, and honestly, it's not recommended. So again, if you're wearing a plain look where you have this kind of vibe going on, layered, the more the merrier, totally. And then if you have on a very patterned look, I would keep it simple. So people ask me all the time, what is the most popular necklace length? And to be honest, it's typically between 16 and 18 inches. And it really depends on all the things we just talked about. Your face shape, the girth of your neck, what look you're looking for, like what you're wearing. And if you're doing, like if you're going on like a fancy date, or if you're just going to the gym and working out, all of these things play a factor. But I would say the most common is definitely an 18 inch, and that is this one. It's the most versatile and will pretty much fit everyone. So if you want to check out my jewelry and other videos, check out the links in the description below and help support the channel. If you want to keep learning about all things jewelry, fashion, LaCkore Couture, and crazy, make sure to check out one of the videos right here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.